Every organization needs a constitution, a foundation of your workplace which governs its employee-employer relations. That handbook is the employee manual and lays the groundwork for work behavior, policies, and standards. An employee manual informs employees of the organization history, mission, and values, informs employees of expectations, policies, and benefits, informs employees it is compliant with federal and state laws. In addition, major benefits for an organization to have an employee manual is to prevent legal disputes between employers and employees, protect you from favoritism and discrimination charges, and allows you to consistently add, monitor, and measure the results. Think of your employee manual as a living, breathing document that should be evaluated and updated often. At all times, the manual should be friendly, using clear, precise language. The good news is that the employee manual is already written. All you have to do is modify, customize, and fill in the blanks. It's just that easy. We will take you step by step and explain all 9 parts of the manual. Part 1. Welcome to the company. Part 2. Employment status. Part 3. Employment expectations. Part 4. Employment benefits. Part 5. Property of organization. Part 6. Safety and health. Part 7. Standard of conduct. Part 8. Wage and salary. Part 9. Acknowledgement forms. First, open the employee manual document and type the name of your organization in the insert at the top of the page. The next page is Table of Contents. On the bottom of the page, please double-click the footer and replace company name with the name of your organization. Now, please print the employee manual before proceeding.